Alright, I don't know why I thought this would be a brilliant idea, but we're about to go into Walmart together and we're gonna get a hair trimmer because I recently did my hair awesome. Bleached part of my hair, but I was like gonna get like a trimmer for this part of my hair, so I'm gonna go in here and see if we can find something. Alright, friends, do this thing. And we're gonna try it together. This one won me over because it said built-in trimmer, clip and trim. The idea was that if I get enough like mirrors, like a 360-degree mirrors around me, then I can do my own hair. But right now I have, okay, 1, 2 mirrors, but then I have the phone. It comes with some scissors, nice. Some of them said cordless, but then I was thinking about cordless mice and how sometimes they don't have the kind of precision that you want. So this might be kind of overdoing it. It smells brand new, like a fancy car or something. No time like the present to learn how to clip hair. I kind of wanted to get a pair of clippers that was like a step up from trash. So I did not get the bottom of the barrel. We got like a couple of steps up, but it was still like only 30 bucks or something. So I figured that if I'm doing my own hair all the time, then it's a pretty good deal. It looks on here kind of like jagged edges. It looks awesome. Sweet. There's a bunch of different pieces here. If anyone winds up arriving to the stream and you have any experience with hair, feel free to backseat haircut. Just give me all the tips you got. I'm ready for them. All these different pieces that come with it, just like in the picture. Okay, if it gets too noisy, that's when you're supposed to use that blade oil. It says that it's goof proof. Well, that's good for us. That's what I'm talking about. I want it short and shorter. It's like getting super hot outside already lately. It's almost the peak of summer, and then after that it's just gonna get hotter until fucking winter. This is what I always need. This is like the type of thing my mom or someone like that would have like a million of these at their house, but I have like 0. Needed this earlier today like 3 times already. Alright, anyway, we have a whole kit now. Cool. Wait, what does this mean? This part up here is gonna make your hair longer and this part will make it shorter. Not only can I tell because of the length of these, but by the width as well. I was trying to figure out how to do a fade. So I think this is how you could do a fade, where it's longer on top and like shorter on the bottom as it goes down. Badass. Alright, then we'll leave this one out. Just gonna leave out the few that I think we should use. Anyway, these nails are looking good still. We're gonna redo these nails this coming weekend. I'm trying to go for the easier the better. Okay, if you want to blend, then basically what we're going to try to do is figure out how to get the one attachment on, and after we use the one attachment, then we'll take that off and then we'll do the closer to this. Has anyone here ever cut their own hair? It's okay, you don't have to feel obligated to tell me if you have. Just say it out loud. You don't have to type it in chat, just say it out loud. We looked at the instructions, they were mildly entertaining. Now let's figure out where we're gonna plug this in, because this is like a hair collector, I believe. Okay, so yeah, this other thing that I have right here. Definitely don't want it too close. One thing I've learned is if you're gonna cut hair, your clothing or whatever it is, then cut off a little bit first and like move into it slowly. Don't just like lop off the whole damn thing first and then cry about what you did later. Oh, you shave your head? Nice. All the time. Cool. One time I shaved my head when I was 18 and I did not get all around positive feedback. We got this bang at Walmart. We got cookies and cream bang. We got this cool buzzer. The other thing I was wondering is like, how do I get this thing on here? Do I have to take off the other thing first? Oh! I think it's on there tight, nice and tight. Alright, we're on. We got this awesome new buzzer. It's loud and scary. Oh god! Okay, it's definitely fucking on or off. There's no in between. I kind of like these little poops that come down. I don't know if I want to cut those or not. god. Ah. I don't know why this is so like slightly anxiety inducing. It's just the sound and the feeling, and it's like in my hand it's like it's kind of fun though. Alright. This part I really can't actually see from like here over here. I can't see. It's like when I'm Alright, I can't see that part, and I just ran this along that part that I can't really see. Oh, it's getting shorter. Oh my god, I'm worried about this already. Oh yeah, I forgot I have a pineapple tattoo, everyone, like that. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's getting too short. Yeah, look at that fade. Is it okay to kind of use it backwards like that? You're supposed to always like do this, right? Right, I can kind of see it now. Oh my god. Alright, I'm really hoping this will look good when we're done. This is insane. Okay. I should definitely be doing a charity stream right now. Okay, if we ever do a full head shave, we'll do charity stream first. Oh my god. I'm dyslexic with my coordination. Cute. I like it. We've got a side shave. I'm gonna try to like get this part like where the line is better. Is it okay to like use this going down? Are you always supposed to use it going up? Oh god. Just a little bit sharp. We don't have any attachment on right now, so it's a little sharp. Alright, I'm ready to do the rest of my head now. I'm working on my Cyberpunk hair. We'll do some cool colors next time. Cool, I shaved the side of my head. I'm so proud. I think it's already pretty even now. Let's see what this looks like when I... Is that punk rock enough? Yeah. I'm trying to go for some more like punk rock in my life. I got hair all over myself. We're doing some DIY hair stuff, and yesterday I did some highlights, and this is the first time I've done like partial highlights on my hair. I usually will just like bleach all of my hair. So we're gonna like try to add some color tomorrow. We're trying to bring out our Cyberpunk 2077 style. We just learned how to use a buzzer for the first time. Well, I'm gonna clean up, and I'll probably do some like vacuuming and stuff. I'll take some pictures and I'll put them up later. Cool, I'll talk to you later, friends. Bye.